Today, I will not ask you to subscribe to India Today Tech or even like or share this video. What I'll do is I'll just wish you and your families a very happy Diwali and straight away start with a review of the Jabra Elite 3. You're watching India Today Tech. My name is Manas Tiwari. The TWS segment has lately seen an explosion in India. Now there are plenty of options in the market, but only few of them are affordable and can also give you a reliable performance. What I have with me is the Jabra Elite 3. They're priced under Rs 7,000. They compete with the Nothing Ear 1. But is this a pair of earphones that you should consider? Well, I think only for one reason, which I'll explain during this review. But let me start with its design first. I've used last 2 to 3 generations of Jabra TWS, and one thing that I could instantly figure out is that this one has a completely new design language. The charging case itself, also the earbuds are now more compact than before. You also get a completely new shape and design language. In fact, the earbuds now come in the triangular shape instead of the circular design which Jabra used to have earlier. They don't exactly stand out in this category. I mean, there is still some resemblance with the Jabra earphones from the past, but if you compare it with that stem design which most TWS companies borrow from Apple, yes, you can see that Jabra has tried to, innovate and maintain a design language of its own. Now, Jabra here has gone with buttons instead of touch controls, which I kind of like, because the problem with touch sensors is that they're very sensitive and at times you end up touching the earbuds and giving wrong commands, but here that's not the case. Also, the buttons are very tactile and they have a good feel about them. You can single press the right button to play or pause music, double press it to skip the song, triple press for previous track. You can also single press the left button to turn off ambient sound, double press it for Google Assistant, and hold either of them to increase or decrease the volume. Overall, the Jabra Elite 3, both the earbuds and the charging case, are quite lightweight, compact, easy to wear. They're very comfortable. You can wear them for a long session. Also, the fit is quite secure, so they don't come off your ears that easily as well. Now, let's move on to the audio performance. There's certain benchmark that TWS in this price point have set, and it's difficult to expect any earbuds to kind of break that and give you exponentially better performance. These earbuds come with 6mm drivers and you get a decent audio performance on the Jabra Elite 3. To use them, of course, you will need the Jabra app, and within the app there are limited options, because I have seen with the previous Jabra earbuds, the ones which are more expensive, you got a lot more options, but in this one you get limited options in the Jabra Plus app. There's a hear-through mode, so what basically you can do is you can turn it on or switch it off using the app, and you can also customize a few other options from the app. Now, the earbuds are well tuned for most music genre. Bass-heavy songs are definitely controlled, so while you feel the bass, it does not completely overshadow the vocals, and that's something that I really like on these earbuds. Now, still, the tuning is in favor of EDM and bass-heavy songs. So you will definitely, find that extra impact while listening to EDM or songs which have more bass in them. However, even the more relaxing songs sound good on these earbuds. A major miss on the Jabra Elite 3, which you actually get on Nothing Ear 1, is the Active Noise Cancellation. So these do not come with any sort of noise cancellation here. What you get is the hear-through mode, which I talked about briefly in the beginning. So as soon as you turn off the hear-through mode, you can actually see the impact, because once it is off, you can literally hear every single sound around you. But with it on, all of those noises are blocked and you still get a decent noise cancellation. But yes, ANC is definitely not there. Now, I always like Jabra earbuds for their call quality, and that's the case with the Jabra Elite 3 as well. They come with 4 microphones for better call quality, and in most cases I did not hear any complaints from other side. The calling was absolutely fine. Even with the video calls, these earbuds work absolutely fine. In fact, I've also recorded a few podcasts using the Jabra Elite 3. So you can definitely check out Aaj Tak Radio and hear Sabka Malik Tech, which is our weekly tech podcast. And the last 2 episodes I have recorded using these earbuds only. Jabra promises that you can get about 7 hours of battery life on the Jabra Elite 3. I've been using them for about 2 weeks in my regular life for taking calls, video calls, listening to music, podcast. As I told you, I also recorded a few podcasts using the same earbuds, and I managed to get about 6 to 6.5 hours of battery backup, which is quite good for this segment because you will not get too many options in this price segment that can actually offer you a better battery backup than these earbuds. There's also support for a quick charging, which means that you can get about 1 hour of playback with just 10 minutes of charging. Again, a bit of a miss here is that there is no wireless charging support. So these do not support wireless charging. You do get a Type-C USB charging port. So if you have your phone's charger which has a USB cable, you can use that to charge these earbuds as well. Now let's move on to our final verdict. See, if you honestly ask me between the Nothing Ear 1 and Jabra Elite 3, the Nothing Ear 1 definitely have an advantage when it comes to the design. They have a very unique design language. Their audio performance is also better than what you get on the Jabra Elite 3. But there is one reason, just one reason because of which I will recommend you the Jabra Elite 3, and that is the call quality. So if your preference is taking calls, if you take a lot of calls, be it normal calls, video calls, if you are still working from home and you have to attend calls on daily basis, then definitely you should consider the Jabra Elite 3, because at this price, I do not think you will get any other earphones with better call quality than this product. Moving on to 3 things that we liked about the Jabra Elite 3. Well, the first has to be the compact design. They are very compact, easy to carry. Second is the audio tuning, which is very balanced. And third, of course, as I've mentioned repeatedly, the call quality is absolutely brilliant. 3 things that we did not like about it. First of all, there is no active noise cancellation. There is no support for wireless charging. Also, the build quality here, which in fact I forgot to mention during my design part, the build quality isn't that great. I mean, it's still plastic and you can feel that the plastic is not a very premium material. So you can feel that the build is not that great. So these are 3 things that I did not like about the Jabra Elite 3. India Today Tech's rating for these earbuds is 7.5 out of 10. Once again, a very happy Diwali to all of you and your families. Stay tuned, we'll keep bringing you more fun content next week. Thank you.